normal course, anybody joins assistant manager, totally go, but sometimes they will be in head office, sometimes they will be. After that, there is one, my friend, Mr. P.V. Rajendra Prasad, who is the managing director of PNP Consulting. It's foreign exchange norms. And there is a public issue then. There is a software company is going for public issue for 100 crores. They wanted to have a project. And he said, Ashok, why can't you take up? I have taken Prithvi Information and Solution Limited, which is located at Cyber Tower. And financial, I am very weak in finance. Only remaining things, I have prepared the report and they have accepted as it is. After that, and this Pragati Group managing director, G.V.K. Rao, he has engineering background. He is 2 years younger to me. He is looking out a person who can be next to him for all aspects. He has son, BTech MBA. He is having wife, MCOM, 2 brother-in-laws. It is around 1,010 crores assets, different projects, hotels, resorts, spa, ferro steels, and we are going for an integrated steel plant also. So somebody suggested me, and I was interviewed by the then executive director of RBA, Rajgopal Rao. He was ombudsman here. 2 hours, 3 hours he has interviewed. Not that MD has not spoken. Just they have selected him. Initially, I had taken a small job at DGM dealing with Andhra Bank, something like that. Slowly, his intention is different. After that, I came to know why he has selected me. Slowly, he is putting me in different areas like that. And suddenly, when I had gone to office, there is a cover, which I have never asked. At the time of entering into Pragati Group, what is your salary? I said 33,000 gross and there is a cover written by MD. I am very happy with your work and I am promoting to general manager, total group. You have to take care of that. So, strictly speaking, sir, I am not knowing anything as on today. Nor communication skills, nor diplomacy, nor anything. But I am succeeding everywhere because my background is a topmost consultants. Around 40 consultants and MD. And he takes me like such a thing, I don't know what it is, Karmanubandha, Runanubandha, Rupena, like that, I don't know. And I deal everything in the group. I represent to AP Chamber of Commerce, Indian Chamber of Commerce, AP Real Estate Developer Association, and top politicians, foreign investors, national investors, and I will be meeting ambassadors. Everything is a group head, either CMD or I have to present that. With that, daily is a learning process for me. Today also I am a student. And nothing I know, don't know, I am telling you I am not knowing, my mind is very empty as of today. My skill is very limited. But supported by so many people and in my personal life and official life. And they are treating me well, I am a top position in the group. And no limitation for expenditure, no limitation for facilities. But I never use any facility. I go, my car, I go like that because one day I have to leave that organization. So that bigger cars may not be by it. Once you go officially, there is a driver, so many things are there. But personally, we can't afford to buy them. I am in this. My group is dealing different aspects. We have certain things. I will be meeting regularly for foreign investors and everything. So this is as far as my professional career is concerned. As far as my personal life is concerned, I have got married my sister-in-law. She is waiting for me in confirmation for the last 4 or 5 years. This is selected by my mother. She is no more. And I lost my father and brother and all. So she takes care of me and I have 2 daughters, 1 son. Daughters are very good settlement. One daughter is in Hyderabad, quality engineer in CA. My son-in-law also engineer. And second daughter MBA. She takes care of medicine, computers, Southeast Asia. Head and she will be going frequently review meetings and she is at Bangalore. And they are very far and very takeoff is very. Whereas my son, and I admitted in engineering, Karnataka and all these things. Little lagging behind for the last 7 years. He has started one software company After that, he started a hardware company. There is huge losses. I have been telling, whatever you do now when I am there. So after that, you will be the great sufferer. So lot of losses, that does not make any difference for us. We have properties and all this is because he is only legal heir for all my properties and all these things. Finally, he said, came one day, I want to give up all these things and I want to do the job. So I said, I am waiting for that because I am married also. My daughter-in-law, she is working. And he went to my daughter, she is administrative officer in Sun Computer. Immediately she taken him and he is in Bangalore. I am a good healthy man with everything. I feel God is very kind on me and nothing is less to me. So I have a self-satisfaction, everything. I hope everybody should happy and I hope, please, whenever you come, purpose for Atithi Devo Bhava. The purpose for tomorrow giving lunch to entertain guests from other. So if time permits, please make a visit. If not, the program will go because I told one of my close friends, childhood friends also. Please be in touch with me. My mail is there. I have a very good house with all facilities. You can straight away from airport to my house. You can come because nobody is there. My son is there. She is going. I am with my wife and servants. And very big house, greenery. I maintain greenery. I do greenery. I do social service. I do everything. Yeah. But everything else very fine. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I would like to call upon Shiv now because so patiently he is waiting.